Hey my friend, this is Steven with Sawdust and Sweat NC. If you've watched here on my channel, you know I'm about to build a sawmill shed. Listen, I want to promise you, watching this build is going to be different probably than anything you've seen as far as building a sawmill shed. But first we had to do a little site prep. We got this dirt built up here, got some gravel put down, and where these cones are is where the shed's going to sit. I think I hit the wrong button. I was trying to stop it and I think I started it. Anyway, thank you.